Hello. I have some really exciting kits to share, information to share about how you can really use this COVID lockdown to your advantage when it comes to your skin right now. And first, I want to say if you're suffering, if anyone in your family has been affected by the virus, or if you're afraid with people with, poor immunity or elders, or if you've lost someone, my heart goes out to you. And I know this is a really big and scary and stressful time for most of us. And if you're not feeling directly affected, I'm sure you're feeling the collective. And so I just wanted to speak into that and say, I'm sending love and light from my little haven over here. And then I also want to stay connected with you. And so I'm really getting active on social these days, Facebook, Lisa Eddy skincare page, and putting out some great content for both the internal and external beauty piece. I'm not sure where you're watching it because you might be watching it here. You might be watching this in my newsletter. You might be watching it, I don't know, YouTube, wherever else I'm going to post it. We'll see if I post it on Instagram. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to let you know, that. So following me on these social avenues is a great way to get connected and let me support you. And I've created some great kits and packages right now because I didn't think it was fair, because I basically brought the spa home with me and I'm not joking. I've got, incredible treatments I've been doing on myself, and I'm really loving giving myself treatments all the time. And I realized that there were some great advanced treatments that you guys could do at home, and I'm super excited to bring them to you. So you will find them on my website under the specials tab. And forgive me because, so the website is lisaeddy.com, and then go to specials. But each time you click on each special on there to purchase the special, you have to find the link in the special to purchase that exact one. So just so you know, these will run out. They're professional grade. They're limited resources right now. So if you're interested, I would get on that. One of them is the facial infusion non-peel Medi-Peel. That I often do in treatments, and it builds collagen for 30 days. Another is a great gift with purchase, the Lift COVID, where you can actually lift your face at home, and it is fantastic. And that's a hell of a deal right now. And then the other one is about shining on camera and the tips and tools that I use. And so they're all little deals right now for you. I thought would be a great time to kick up your game because we have the time and we are at home. And that is more important even than getting treatments. Just a reminder of what you're doing every single day, morning and night, makes all the difference in the world. And I also am taking my support to the next level virtually right now. So if you haven't seen me in a little while, or you feel like you need to do something a little different, something's changing with you, diet or stress, or what have you, that you see something else coming through you'd like to address, we can do. Or if you've never worked with me before, we can hop on the phone for a virtual skincare consultation and get you what you need or shift what you need right now. And for people who are purchasing these kits, I'm also not only offering videos that will be sent to you for some of them, but live training. And I'm putting together the details of that now. So you're going to want to stay tuned and follow me on these social avenues so that you can be in the know. Some of it will be like a Zoom party home facial that I'll be guiding you through with one of them, with the Myo Lift. If you've already purchased one in the past and you want more training on it, reach out to me, because I'm getting a Zoom class together where we'll all have our devices out and we'll be working it, and I'll help you take it to the next level as well. So I think I've covered a lot of what I wanted to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please reach out. What I didn't cover, obviously, is that I'm not working right now, and we don't exactly know when that will be. So I will look forward to that day. Again, I have to say that I miss you and the personal touch and contact, and that I am sending you so much love and support from my home to yours. Thank you. Looking forward to connecting with you. Lisa Eddy Skincare on Facebook. Instagram is I am Lisa Eddy. YouTube is, I don't know what, I think it's Lisa Eddy Skin Guru. And where else am I? I think those are the primary: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Yes. Okay. Thank you. I'll look forward to connecting with you and seeing you then. Have a lovely day and take the best care of yourself right now. Mwah. Thank you.